Namaste. Today we would like to discuss about interest on payments. Interest payable on delayed payments of tax. Introduction. Interest under section 23 234A is levied for delay in filing the returns of income. Interest is levied at 1% per month or part of a month. The nature of interest is simple interest. In other words, the taxpayer is liable to pay simple interest at 1% per month or part of a month for a delay in filing the returns of income. The interest has to be calculated from the next day on which the tax was due. Interest under GSTR, particulars and interest. Number 1, delayed payments of GST 18% per annum. Second one, undue or excess reduction of tax liability 24% per annum. Number 3, undue or excess claim of ITC 24% per annum. Any tax, duty, cess or fee paid under any law in force is allowed as a deduction when it is paid. This includes GST, customs duty, or any other taxes or cesses paid. Interest paid on these taxes are also eligible for a deduction. To calculate the monthly interest, simply divided the annual interest rate by 12th months. The resulting monthly interest rate is 0.417%. The total number of periods is calculated by multiplying the number of years by 12 months, since the interest is compounding at a monthly rate. The IRS will work with you. The penalty for filing late is normally 5% of the unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month that a tax returns is late. If you do not pay your taxes by the tax deadline, you normally will face a failure to pay penalty of half of 1% of your unpaid taxes. Authorized banks payments of GST channel via net banking and OTC. These are the authorized banks. Thank you.